The Peoria Cancer Center Foundation is dedicated to funding cancer research, education, and support services right here in Central Illinois. What if you had the power to help win in the fight against cancer? You do. Cancer will affect 1 in 3 people in their lifetimes. It almost seems inevitable that one way or another, cancer will enter into our lives, affecting us personally or someone we love. It is the leading cause of death for people under the age of 65, and for those over 65, the second leading cause. Being diagnosed with cancer is always emotionally devastating, but no longer is it always dire. With the progress made in the last 30 years through research, education, and awareness, people are surviving in record numbers, living long, healthy, and productive lives. Do you know that the Peoria Cancer Center Foundation, together with your support, is working to fund clinical cancer research trials, patient education, and services that treat the needs of all cancer patients regardless of their means? But this is a fight that must not falter. To continue at full strength, we need the power of your support, more now than ever.
When I was asked to be on the foundation board, it was an easy answer. It was an immediate yes, due to the fact that I'm certainly beholden to a team of people who made it possible for me to be here today. However, I've also seen the miracles that they've been able to produce for other dear friends and family, as well as many people within Central Illinois, and I wanted to be a part of helping them grow, also a part of the foundation, which I think is a well-kept secret from the standpoint that they do so much, not only from the standpoint of trials and research, and not just their physical care, but also their emotional support while they go through such a horrible crisis for themselves and for their families. So there's many facets to the foundation, and I think it's a very well-kept secret. I'm glad the word is getting out now about so many things they do within the community for the cancer patient, in addition to exceptional health care.
The Peoria Cancer Foundation is a way for you to help your relative, your neighbor. It's a way to bring those drugs here so that they don't have to travel long distances to take advantage of what's going to be a major breakthrough in the care of cancer patients. I think the reason you'd want to give to the Peoria Cancer Foundation is to move those new drugs closer to Peoria. Otherwise, people are going to have to go to the drugs.
And this whole process of what we call drug development and discovery is much of what we're about. The whole community of cancer physicians and cancer patients needs to participate. And we see this every day. Over 80% of the patients who receive any investigational treatment for cancer receive that at their local physician, at their community physician. We want to have new, innovative therapy in our local community so that patients can have the very best that's available here, not have to travel somewhere else, not have to interrupt their life or interrupt their work or interrupt their family. If you want to do something well, you have to have resources. If you want to stretch yourself, if you want to get things that are not otherwise available, it takes financial resources to get them.
With decreasing dollars coming from the National Cancer Institute, cost of maintaining an adequate infrastructure is born at the community level. There are increasing demands by the community who review the research protocols that we are submitting for approval. Those were things that in the past were not costs to the practice in order to get those trials approved and make them available to the patients, but it's these increasing costs and decreasing dollars that are starting to put an ever-increasing strain on the abilities to continue to maintain the number of clinical cancer trials that we want available to our patients. We need to maintain a comprehensive menu, and that over the years we've been able and have had the luxury of having anywhere from 120 to 150 clinical trials on average available to our patients that cover all the major diseases and a lot of the other diseases that we see a lot less frequently than things like colon cancer, breast cancer, and lung cancer.
Physicians here at Illinois Cancer Center are prepared to underwrite the administrative costs for the Peoria Cancer Foundation,
so that 100% of your donations go directly to our support for clinical research. That is the thing that we want to bring to our patients.
I've seen people out in the street before that were previous patients, and maybe it's been 16 years or 20 years, and just the excitement to see them living their life to the fullest. And it's just, tells me why I do come to this job every day. It's undescribable how I feel, and I know I'm doing the right thing.
This is a fight that we can win together. Won't you please help support the Peoria Cancer Center Foundation? Every dollar that you donate will stay right here in Central Illinois to fund cancer research, education, and support services necessary as a cancer patient undergoes their journey. There are no costs affiliated with this foundation. The physicians at Illinois Cancer Care are underwriting all administrative costs. Please, won't you help? Thank you.